What's up guys, welcome back to another episode of OCD channel. In this video I will show you our latest project, which is this car. We spent 5 days on it and what we done was full body PPF. I believe there will be lots of questions about what is the difference between ceramic coatings and PPF, paint protection film. In general, we do a lot of ceramic coating still, and I still think it's a great solution. However, ceramic coatings, what it really does is it protects your car from UV. So basically your car is not fading as quick as it would without the coating. Also, it's easier for maintenance of the car, but it doesn't really give protection in terms of stone chips or physical scratches. The biggest advantage of PPF is its thickness. Most of cars these days, the thickness of the paint is roughly about 100 microns, which is 1/10 of millimeter, and that's the full depth of your paint. PPF is clear film with about 200 microns of thickness. Overall, it's very hard to tear material. As you can see here, two of us pulling it, we can't break it just like that. You need sharp object and you need some force to actually damage the PPF. So basically PPF will protect paint of your car from stone chips, from scratches. Also, you might be looking off, if you have it, that it might protect your car from minor parking mishaps. So basically the biggest difference between ceramic coatings and paint protection film is the thickness of the protection that you have on your car. In the case of ceramic coatings, at maximum you will have 1 micron of the coating on your paint. In the case of PPF, you have almost 200 microns. When it comes to good quality PPF, and that's what we use film from ADBL. Product has self-healing properties, so that what that means, if you get light marks from your washing on the car, on the paint, they will self-heal from the heat. Also, this film has excellent hydrophobic properties, same as from premium ceramic coating. PPF is the ultimate solution these days for protecting the paint of your car. However, of course, you still need to put in proper maintenance into it. You can't treat it as a bulletproof, as nothing is bulletproof when it comes to cars. Currently, we only offer glossy PPF. However, we're slowly stepping into matte PPFs as well. Also, when it comes to PPF, you can get it for interior panels, like the glossy panels inside that get scratchy very easy. Those surfaces can be also protected, as well as the screens inside the car. When it comes to this car, it was tricky enough job. Panels are curved every way. It took us good bit of work, good bit of effort. However, we done it. After the PPF, what we done, we also coated all the trims. We coated the glass, we coated the fabric roof, wheels. So now the maintenance of this car will be very, very easy. So that's everything in this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you on the next one.